Alright guys, I thought I'd show off my new project I've been working on in between time of painting my real Cub. Thought I'd make me a mailbox. Try to deck it all out just like my real one there. So anyway, it's got a wooden prop here on it. I painted it chrome and painted the tips there yellow or whatever, and got my little gas caps, my end numbers. Struts are wood, winged wood, all the, elevator rudder and all that stuff there is wood. And the cool part, if that ain't already cool enough there for you, check out the flag. Yep, it's a prop. Yeah, had to be different in the neighborhood, but got the end number up underneath the wing right there. And I just glued the struts and everything on with CA glue. And then put the elevator and rudder and all of that is screwed on from the inside. Used a little short stubby screwdriver, put it on there that way. Stickers are vinyl. Paint is Air Tech. And I tell you, if you ain't never used Air Tech paint, it's the best paint on the market. Best paint in the world there, I believe. I mean, this stuff just goes on like butter and just flows out slick as silk. So anyways, if you're looking for some good paint to paint your airplane or restore any projects, contact Air Tech Paint. I know this is kind of the wrong kind of airplane there that you'd be using it on, but anyways, I just thought I'd make a video and show off my new mailbox. Hope everybody likes it and everything, and hope everybody's staying safe, staying out of this old crazy world with this corona mess going on. And I tell you, this old pollen's got my nose and sinuses there all jacked up this morning. So anyway, stay safe, wash your hands. See you soon.